Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my analysis on the US dollar yen, and we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So I do think that the dollar yen ended an ABC correction on the daily time frame. It needs to go down and break this structure right here to really confirm 100% that this likely is the end of an ABC on the daily. It hasn't quite done so yet, but ever since this moved down, it's lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So as long as it continues to make lower highs, anything I see to the upside, I am definitely still going to assume it's just a pullback within this downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely still looking for sorts. Daily time frame is down, weekly time frame is down, 4 hour time frame is making lower lows, lower highs. I personally am definitely going to continue to look for sorts. Now I got my Fibonacci retracement on here to here. If price does decide to reverse and go up and take out this high, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs after the break of structure. But like I said on the 4 hour, anything we see to the upside very likely could just be a pullback to the last wave down. So if I see some sort of a corrective pattern up to one of these Fibonacci levels, which it could be any one of them, maybe the 61 could be a likely area, but it really could be any one of them, then makes it a golfing move down. I definitely will continue to look for sorts every single chance I get. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.